Good morning, student. This is your grammar period. Today we are going to learn our new chapter, nouns, possessive case. So, let's start. Everybody know what is the noun. Today we are going to learn what is a possession or what is a possessive case. So, let's start. See, a noun can be used to show possession. This is known as the possessive case. For example, just see here, Sarika is Saurav's sister. Who was Sarika? Sarika is Saurav's sister, means sister of Saurav. Second one, Saurav is Mr. Das' son, means son of Mr. Das. Cycling is the children's pastime. Pastime of the children. What is the cycling? Pastime of the children. Saurav sits on the back seat of the cycle. Means we are not saying that one. Cycle's back seat. So how we are saying that one? Saurav sits on the back seat of the cycle. See now second one, formation of nouns in the possessive case. How that one we give that one apostrophe. Why we are using that one? This one, that one having sign, that is a apostrophe, and afterward we add their s. When we add that one s, how that one format noun in the possessive case? Now we learn. See here, one number, add apostrophe s. When we add that one apostrophe s, see, to the singular noun, for example, Saurav. Saurav is a singular noun, correct? So, what we want to say that one? Saurav's sister, sister of Saurav. So, what we say that one? Saurav's sister. Saurav, then apostrophe, then s, means Saurav's sister. Sauravchi sister. So like that we are using that one apostrophe s. Now see here having teacher apostrophe then s books. So what is this? Teacher's books. Whose books having that one? Teacher's books. So we apostrophe, give apostrophe sign and write s, means teacher's books. We want to say now doctor's clinic. So how we write that one? Doctor apostrophe then s, then doctor's clinic. See, so when we add that one apostrophe s to the singular noun. Second rule, add only apostrophe to the noun already ending in s. Do you understand what is this? They are ending already in s. So we only write there, or we only put their sign of apostrophe. For example, see here, Mr. Das' son, means what? Son of the Mr. Das. But how we say that one? Mr. Das, ending of the, having end of the word, that is a s. That is why we write only, we put only their apostrophe sign. Do you understand? Okay. Now see, Mrs. Jones' house. Again here end of the word having s. So that is why we are not add again that one s. So what we should do? Mrs. Jones, immediately put apostrophe and house. Mrs. Jones' house. See third one, boys, already given their boys. So boys after apostrophe and dormitory. Boys dormitory. See now third rule. Add apostrophe then s to the plural noun that does not end in s. For example, already child is a singular form, their plural children. Okay, so children's pastime. So that time we are using that one plural form, in plural form after apostrophe then s. Here see oxen's tails. means oxen also having that one plural form. After plural form we are give there, we put this apostrophe sign and afterward write as tells. Here also having main means that one plural form, apostrophe as, and that one room means room. Now fourth rule having, don't use the possessive case for nouns of the neuter gender. Neuter gender everybody know in our gender period. I already explained that one, what is a neuter gender. So see here, back seat of the cycle. What we say that one, not cycle's back seat. What we say, back seat of the cycle. Here also, not table's leg. What we say, leg of the table. Corner of the room. So, how to write that one possessive case? We are learn now. Now solve that one exercise. Just see here. The brother of my father. How we are saying that one? My father's brother. Second one, the nest of the birds. How we are saying that one? Birds. Here having already S. So that is why birds after we put their apostrophe and then write nest. Birds, nest. Next also like that only. The bags of the girls, girls, then apostrophe, then bags. Next, the laughter of the children. Who laughed that one? Children. So that time also the children's laughter. So children afterward put their apostrophe, then write as laughter. The horses of the princess, princess horses. The crown of the queen, the queen's crown. Queen, then apostrophe, then s, then crown. The lid of the pot, the lid of the teapot. Simple sentence. The horns of the deer's horns. The cries of the babies, end of the word having s, so that is why only given that one put their apostrophe and then cries. The age of the shelf, the age of the shelf. Simply. The cap of the pen, the cap of the pen. That one also simply. So, write that one exercise also. Thank you.